Listen, when women pack, we're planning for multiple climates, unexpected adventures, unspoken dress codes, mild medical emergencies. When men pack, they bring socks. If they remember. Okay, so here's my spreadsheet. I've color-coded by activity, weather pattern, and emotional state. And I've packed 3 backup outfits per day in case I spill, sweat, or get bloated. Alright, I've got 1 pair of shorts, 1 pair of pants, and 3 shirts. That's 7 days, right? I have a lightweight rain jacket, a cute if it drizzles trench, a cozy evening shawl, and 1 emergency poncho that I panic bought in 2009 and will never throw away. Do I need a jacket? Nah, if it rains, I'll just be wet. Now, let's talk about skincare. I have my morning routine, my nighttime routine, my post-flight hydration mask, my under-eye gel patches, my scalp oil, and my backup moisturizer in case my skin freaks out. Toiletries. Look, I've got toothpaste and deodorant. What more do you want from me? I have walking shoes, dinner shoes, backup walking shoes, sandals, flip-flops, airplane socks, compression socks, and the absolutely necessary platform wedges that I won't wear, but I refuse to leave them behind. And they're all in their own bags. Shoes? I only need 1 pair. I'm gonna wear them on the plane and they'll be fine everywhere else we go. I have a charger, a backup charger, a portable charger, a converter and an adapter, power strip, and 1 cord I don't even recognize, but brought with me just in case. Got my phone charger. I would say this is a done deal. I have my carry-on system, a crossbody, a personal item, a toiletry pouch, a cord pouch, an in-flight hydration kit, gum, snacks, my fan, sleep mask, and of course my Cuddle Duds sweater, in case I get cold. I don't even need a suitcase. I'm gonna throw everything in a backpack. What's the itinerary again? I have it printed in a folder, color-coded with notes. Also, 2 copies in case someone else forgets theirs. Wait, where are we going again? How much longer do I have to wait for you? You know what? I'm repacking everything. I just didn't vibe with the first layout. So if you've ever wondered why it takes us longer, it's not because we're extra. It's because we're prepared. And maybe, just maybe, men could try it our way sometime.